Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Karit. Our topic is about rules for adding integers. So this video lesson is an answer for those students who are confused when they are adding numbers with different signs. Let us start with the rules in adding integers. So when we add two numbers with the same sign, just add them and copy the sign. Okay, so in this case, when we add two positive numbers, positive plus positive, this becomes positive. Example, when we add positive 2. By the way, class, when a number has no positive sign before the number, it is considered as positive. Okay? So, positive 2 is added to positive 5. So, the result is positive 7. Okay? So, what about if the number is negative? I-add natin sa parehas na negative. So, the rule says when we add two negative numbers with the same signs, then copy the signs. So, therefore, our sign in this case is negative. Okay. For example, we are going to add negative 5. Negative 5 is added to negative 4. Negative 4. Okay, just add them and copy the sign. So this is negative 9. Okay, negative 9. Okay, so you can also change the sign or remove this positive sign. Okay, just bring down negative 5, then multiply this positive sign to negative sign of 4. So this becomes negative 4, and combine them, so it becomes negative 9. Ito'y palaging yung nakikita pag nag-perform tayo ng addition na parehas ang kanilang sign. Okay? So, I hope na gets nyo. Okay, so what about if we are going to add two numbers with different signs? Okay, so when we add two numbers with different signs, just add them and the result of the addition will take the sign of a larger number. For example, positive 7. Let's see, positive 7 is added to negative 3. Negative 3. Then we can multiply this positive sign to negative 3. So this becomes negative 3. Let's bring down 7 and negative 3. Okay. Then combine them and the result will take the sign of a larger number. Okay. So that is why it is positive 4 is the answer, because 7 is greater than negative 3. Okay. So whether we start with a positive and then added it with the negative, again the result will take the sign of a larger number. Just like this example, we start with negative number 9. Okay, this is number 9, and then we will add it with the positive 6. Positive 6. So the result is negative 3. Negative 3. Why negative? It's because 9 is greater than 6. Okay? So when we add again with the numbers with different signs, just add them and the result will take the sign of a larger number. Okay? Dito lang muna tayo. Salamat sa panonood.